Okay, I just wanted to record a quick video and show you what was going on with your app for why tasks and contacts were being assigned to Laura or other related problems. So I'll just go down the list and show you what I found. So inputting new contacts, I tested out about 3 and it worked out fine for me. I saw that this is the campaign you're using, your default um, add a contact form is this one. So I tested out about 3 of them and I assigned them to Ron. So I'll just do myself real quick. And it looked like it worked just fine. If you look under General, you look right here, you can see that Ron is the owner. I did 2 others, and it also showed just fine with adding them. You can see this is also assigned to Ron. Now, I added this using that same form. I added it as a new link for you, but this is the form that triggers all the criteria you have set here. So you can see it added a few new contacts. There were originally 5. Because this looks like this is the only one with active contacts going through the sequence. So if you're adding anyone through that form, then it's putting them under the correct ISA. If you're just assigning OSAs, that could be where the problem is, because we just have tags here. Tags can trigger emails sent to those agents as reminders, to update MLS listings and things like that. But tags don't assign owners. They're assigned by this, which you have set up correctly for ISAs. If OSAs are being assigned directly, we may need to update that. But several of these OSAs are not actually users, and as a result cannot be assigned. So I didn't show any problem with this as far as inputting through the default form that you use, the lead input form. Now, if you're getting leads from Commissions Inc. or any sites that we're integrated with, whether it's success websites, then you can't actually use this. You can't use this. If you were to set up, just as an example, let's see. If you have links coming directly from Commissions Inc., it would assign it by round robin. That's the only way that it will work. So this would be assigned using round robin. Now this is where you only have Laura as the one receiving leads. Because the way that a round robin distribution works is you tell it what ratio to assign leads. So let me show you that. So let's go to settings under CRM, round robins. This is the only one you currently have. You just click edit. And as you can see, so this is you telling Infusionsoft how to assign leads from Commissions Inc. or Success websites. You can either manually assign them, whether it's through the input form or changing it under their contact form, or you can say, you assign them for me based off these ratios. Right now, every lead is being assigned to Laura if it's from Commissions Inc. or Success websites. If you tell it, okay, I want you to assign leads to Maureen, Letitia, Amber, and then Ron, then you would have that. So basically, a lead comes in, it gets assigned to Laura. Another one, Maureen, Letitia, and so on. If you don't want someone to get leads or tasks assigned to that, you put a 0. Now I won't save this. I'll just put it how it was. But if you don't want everything coming to Laura through Commissions Inc., then you'll need to add ones to these to disperse the leads correctly. Now that's only if you're talking about leads coming from Commissions Inc. or Success websites. If it's anything going through this campaign that you input manually when you receive a new lead, then I'm showing that that's working correctly. This form is filled out and it is being assigned to the correct person. OSAs, we may need to look at that, how we get that set up. And let me know if that's something that we want to do. So I'm showing that this is working correctly. It is assigning owners correctly through the lead input form. But from Commissions Inc. or Success website, that's not correct. That's not set up correctly. We need to set up a round robin for that so that they're not all going to Laura. Let's see. This one, if Letitia used the lead input form right here that you get from here, then that should be working correctly. Once you add someone and you look at the contact directly, it might not show the owner right away. Just refresh the page or go back in again and you should see it. Let's get rid of that. The other question you had, this is kind of the same thing as far as Laura getting all the leads. She's the default because she's the admin and the ultimate backup for everything. But if they're being inputted through this form and in this campaign, then she shouldn't be getting them. It's set up correctly by having owners assigned through ISAs. OSAs, we may need to restructure that and have owners assigned so that they have tasks sent to them and are working with leads. But if it's ISAs, this is set up just fine. So I hope that helps. Basically, we may need to look at the OSA setup. Let me know if you want me to do that and change it to having owners assigned if you want tasks sent to the OSAs. And if you want them assigned as owners, then you may need to add a few more users because you have quite a few OSAs, and these are the current user licenses. And then the other thing is, if you have an integration with Commissions Inc. or Success website, then we need to use the round robin lead distribution. If you do have leads coming in through there, then they're all going to Laura, and we need to change the distribution to be spread out through ISAs or other agents. So I hope that helps. I just need to hear back from you if this does confirm the problems you're having, and if you do want me to make changes with OSAs to have them actually be assigned. And then the third one being, if you have a Commissions Inc. or Success website integration, we need to fix that. So I hope this helps. I'll send this video over, and then we can have a call or just email me if something was missed, and I'll just take a look at it again. Okay, thanks again.